Okay, so today we're here at Belrose, Louisiana with my buddy Chris from XPEL, and we got Tim back here doing installation, but we are here today to kind of do some repairs. I've beat on this car all season long, from the very beginning right after we painted it. We put a film on it. Basically, it's a whole clear film all over the whole car to protect the paint. And so I'm gonna let Chris take this over and talk to you guys about kind of what it does and why I did it maybe and all that type of stuff.
So XPEL's been manufacturing clear paint protection film for quite a number of years now. We're quite famous for it. And Ryan had reached out to us actually originally on Fireball. Needless to say, a new car came along, wanted to make sure that this car stayed as good looking as it did when he finished the car up. And so we put a special film on this, which is called XPEL Ultimate Plus 10, which is a 10 mil film. This is the thickest film we have available to us. Knowing that he's traveling down the track at sometimes over 200 miles an hour, there's a lot of stuff that can make contact with that paint, damage it, tear it up. And the idea of the paint protection film is to obviously stop that. So whether you're doing it on a daily driver, actually we did his pickup truck, we're about to do his wife's Escalade, or whether you're doing on a, I don't even know how many hundreds of thousands of dollars of race car, you know, we got you covered. That's the idea.
Yeah, you know, and the big thing is, like, a lot of people do this, like, people think this is only for Ferraris or Corvettes or whatever, but the thing is, our race cars, and there's a lot of you guys out there that build race cars too, y'all know how much we spend on these cars, and some of these top those cars dramatically. So my point is, you go out, you spend $10, $20, $30,000 on a paint job, you want to protect it, and listen, people are a lot more careful with Ferraris than they are with race cars. Like, we're thrashing, trying to make it to the next round, we're banging wrenches off of it, doing everything that we do, and the paint on this looks as good as it did from day one because we did that. So from now on, all my stuff's gonna have it. Y'all know that I don't really do infomercials and I don't ever do stuff like this, so if I'm talking about it, it's because I believe in it. It's good stuff. So
needless to say, we've got an incredible partner here with Brian Martin. We're super stoked to watch him perform, obviously, this season on No Preps King, Street Outlaws, and we couldn't be more excited with a partner than Ryan to make sure that we're getting him obviously squared away and looked after.
Yep, I appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot. So the door, he fixed the door.
Everybody wants to jump on fire or anything?
We're good.
Somebody brought me a shitload. It's fucking eighth of paper.
It's all good.
You want some? Hey, it's good.
Yeah, work on it. We were just chilling. Yeah.
Yeah, where? I don't see anything.
I feel like. Oh, okay. I think that's good. Oh, fuck.
Onto the bumper. Just so you know,